How to fix Fortnite unknown login failure error. 1. Wait 30 seconds and try logging in your account later. 2. Exit Fortnite and shut down the Epic Games launcher. Now restart your device or console. 3. Back up your router settings and reset your router or modem. Plan B, connecting to the network by a wired Ethernet. Other tips: disable the proxy server. Test and improve your internet connection speed. Close bandwidth. Applications. 4. Install the latest Fortnite patch, automatically. 5. PC users, reset WinSock data to the default values via netshare WinSock reset command. Reboot your computer later. 6. Windows players, flush the DNS cache and renew the IP address. Commands: IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew 7. PC, update system drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, and Windows version to the latest build. 8. Use one-time password to log into the game. 9. Change your password for the game. 10. Disconnect the Google account from the Epic Games account. Like this. Change your password.